So what about adding and subtracting radicals? This is also pretty easy. All we're going to do is try and break down the insides first. So here I can break down the 27. I can't break down the 3 at all, the 3's. So I'll break down the 27 as much as I can. That's 9 times 3, and that's 3 times 3. So I have a 3 on the outside and a 3 on the inside. So I'll copy everything down. Negative 2 root 3. I copy this down because I couldn't do anything to it. Same with the 2 root 3 there. And then I have 2 from there, 2, times the 3 from here, times 3, times the square root of 3. So then that's just negative 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Now look at this. These are all root 3's. It's similar to like negative 2x plus 2x plus 6x. These are all like terms. So we can combine them. Just like we would have here. Negative 2x plus 2x, that would cancel out to 0. So that's what happens here. So negative 2x plus 2x, or negative 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. It's the same idea. So then we just have our answer, 6 square root of 3. That's it. I will do more examples. Here, I can break down the 12s, so I will do that. 12, that's just 6 times 2 and 3 times 2. That goes on the outside. There's a negative there, don't forget that. Negative, and then 2 from there, and 3 on the inside. And plus, well, I already broke down 12, and that was 2 on the outside and 3 on the inside. However, people are going to forget this all the time. There's an extra 2 from there. This 2 was from right there. This is from right there. And then plus 3 root 2. So negative 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 plus 3 root, whoops, that's 3. 3 root 3. Okay, these are all like terms because they have the same radical on them. If this was indeed a 2, I would have to leave this whole entire term alone. I would only be able to combine these two because then it wouldn't be a like term. But it's a 3. So what do we have here? Negative 2 plus 4. That's just 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 root 3. And that's it. I will do more. So I will break down the 24. I will try and break down the 6 and the 12. I already did 12 in the last problem, but 24, what is that? 12 times 2, and that's 6 times 2, and 3 times 2. I can ignore these. It gets kind of fast. Those are on the inside. So I have 3 from there. I should not cover that up. Whoops. So this 3 is still on the outside. Don't forget it. This 2 is on the outside. And 3 times 2, which is 6, that's on the inside. In fact, that's what happens here. 3 times 2, nothing gets paired, so I just still have 6 on the inside. So this is plus the 3 root 6. I can't simplify that square root of 6. And then plus, what about the 12? 6, 2, 3, 2. So 3 on the outside, and then 2 on the inside, and then it looks like a lonely 3. So it's 6 root 6 plus 3 root 6 plus 6 root 3. So this one is different. This is different than all the rest. So I can't do anything with this. I'll leave it. Plus 6 square root of 3. I can't do anything because this is different than this and this. So I can't do anything. However, these are the same, so I can combine those because those are like terms. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 square root of 6. There you go. Can't do anything else.